Welcome back, viewers. Hardik Patel predicted a scandal even before the sex tapes emerged on the social media. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 sex tapes emerged and were later removed from YouTube. The uploader claimed it was Hardik Patel, who was spotted in the sex tape. Hardik Patel says, I'm not in the sex tape, the CD is morphed. But in my view, the debate is not about that. Has the personal fight gone too far? Let's debate.
2 videos that have gone viral. The videos show 2 individuals, a man and a woman, in a compromising position. The uploader of the video claims that the man is Hardik Patel. But Republic does not vouch for that. The videos have now been taken down from YouTube.
हमने पहले तो YouTube को पहले एप्लीकेशन भेज दी है कि कहीं ना कहीं हमारे व्यक्तिगत जीवन पर इन लोगों ने ऐसे वीडियो बनाए, तो उसको तो पहले हमने डिलीट करवा दिया है।
Hardik claimed that he knew that this was going to happen.
अभी तो मैंने उस टाइम भी पहले कहा था कि ऐसी सीडी आने वाली है, बहुत सारी ऐसी सीडी अभी ये लोग लाएंगे। अब मेरा काम खत्म कर दिया, मतलब अब हमारे साथियों का ऐसा कुछ प्लान बनाएंगे।
Who uploaded the videos on social media? What is the relevance of videos to the election? Has Hardik been targeted by political rivals? Has the Gujarat fight now become personal? Even as we raise those questions, this statement from Hardik raises questions on the direction the Gujarat sex scandal is taking.
लेकिन आज मैं दावे के साथ कहता हूं कि उन लोगों ने व्यक्तिगत जीवन पर जो आरोप लगाने की अब शुरुआत कर दी है, मैं भी दावे के साथ कह सकता हूं कि भाजपा के कई लोगों की सीडी लोगों के पास है। आने वाले दिनों में थोड़ी शंकर सिंह बापू जैसा नहीं, मैं दावे के साथ कहता हूं, मैं भी निकालूंगा।
Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Sambit Patra, has the BJP released the sex tape? Hardik Patel has said that you released the sex tape.
No,
that you're behind it.
No, Arnab, we release only developmental tapes. We don't believe in such kind of fight. We firmly believe that if you have to release something, release the manifesto which talks of development, release and talk about the aspirations of millions of Gujaratis, and that's
then
what
why don't you arrest, one second, why don't you, will you arrest the man or woman who has released the sex CD on Hardik under section IPC 292A, publishing indecent material, and IPC 499 of defamation? Since you are in power, you should do that. You can't get away on the program by saying, we don't do anything like this, because there is another person who is believed to be close to the BJP, who has been threatening to release sex tapes, and who has also said that in the future he will release more sex tapes of Hardik Patel. Even such a threat should be enough reason to arrest that person. Sunit Chopra, in your view, if Sambit Patra says the BJP is not behind the sex tape, then he should say on the program that he's going to arrest any person who has threatened in the past or threatened to in the future put out sexually scandalous material about their political rivals. So, Sunit Chopra, is that too much to ask? Yes.
No, but Mr. Goswami,
no, Mr. Sambit Patra, let me answer the question.
It's the only decent thing to say.
He would be
it's the only decent thing to do.
Should also be arrested by the same logic.
And I don't believe that the BJP will do it.
The BJP won't do what? The BJP won't do what?
They will not arrest anybody.
Arnav, I want to come in.
The tapes.
Arnav.
No, there is a person, I'm going to get details
Arnav, I want
just
to
a
come
minute
in
and put the details out. There is one person who has been saying that I'm going to be putting out sex CDs of Hardik Patel.
Let them arrest him.
Who is the person and why is he doing it? What are their links with that person? You need to come clean on it. What are your links with that person? One second, Sangeet Ragi, you want to come in. Sambit Patra, do you have any links with the person who has been threatening to put out sex tapes about Hardik Patel? And if links emerge, will you then admit that the BJP is organizing sex tapes of its political rivals? Sambit.
See, as far as the CD is concerned, though I said that we should not be discussing personal life of anyone to this extent, but surely I would say, in a political life, Hardik Patel now is somewhat associated with Congress. He's a political person. In that, we have to be aware of the fact that the people who are closest to you At the end of the day, when finally they see that their aspirations are not being fulfilled, they in fact retort to such kind of gimmicks rather than political parties like Bharatiya Janata Party. We have better things to do than
What do
to
you mean?
release CDs.
You're saying
Mr.
the Congress has
Goswami,
released
and
the tape?
you know that.
You're saying the Congress has released the tape. Why would the Congress release the
I'm
tape?
saying there are people
has
close to
Jagdish
No, I'm saying there
Jagdish
are people
abused
within the Patidar
Gauri
Association,
Lankesh
Amanat Party,
and
who
Modi
once upon a
was a
time had been
follower
close
of
to
Jagdish.
Hardik. Naturally, because of the fact that there has been political aspirations within not fulfilled, many of them would be doing.
Tanveer
I
Ahmed.
remember of Abhishek Manu Singhvi case also. With all due respect, there was a person who was quite close to Mr. Singhvi who released the tape.
Forgotten. He comes from BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. He has forgotten that. You have totally forgotten that Lakshman Saudi is from your party, Krishna Palamar is from your party. We all know about the sex CDs of it. Sambit Patra ji, rather than, condemning anybody releasing this CD, now you are directly accusing your co-competitors. You all know that in Gujarat you all are failing. You have really failed to
Who is
understand the
accusing and what
requirements
should
of
be
Dalits.
condemned?
You have failed to
No,
understand
you have
the
made a
requirements
false
of
narrative
Patidar
that the
Samaj.
Bharatiya Janata Party
You
releases
have
a
totally
CD.
forgotten
Why should
it.
we? I have
Now
told
you
you
are
we have
coming
better
and
things to
you're
do.
saying
Why
that
should
you
I be
will release
talking
the
about
Congress.
something which I have not done?
We all know what are the lowest of low
Who
levels
said
of
I have? Did I
stupidity
say
has
anywhere
really
that it is released by
stood in the
Congress?
past.
I am saying
Now-
Patidar Amanat Association, the people participating in it close to Hardik Patel might have released. Who knows that? How can you vouch that they might not have released? Just as I cannot vouch,
we would also say that
so naturally no
Sambit
one knows
Patra ji,
what
it
the
is
truth
your
is.
government in
But the
Gujarat,
bigger
it
question
is your government
people
in
in
Central.
public life
As
would be
Arnab
asking
Goswami
certain
has said,
questions.
why don't you arrest the man who has released the
I am
CD?
saying today that
Rather
I
than
need an
arresting it,
assurance
today
that
you are
you see
releasing
there is
the
a
film.
no, Sambit Patra, if this is going to be, I'm sorry, I am sorry, Sambit Patra, don't you have any issues
We
to
all know
fight this?
three BJP
1 minute,
MLAs
1 minute,
who
1 minute,
sat on
1 minute,
in
1 minute,
assembly and
1
were
minute,
watching porn. We
1
all know
minute.
that.
Shakilu
Sambit
Zaman
Patra ji.
Ansari. Shakilu Zaman Ansari. First of all, I want to say with all seriousness, Hardik Patel is a young man. He is unmarried. And even if it was married, if that case, it would have to be his wife who had problems with him being with any woman. If it is him, it is nobody's concern. Does the BJP have no issues to fight this election on? First, you go running to the Election Commission on Padmavati. Then you are saying that there is a sex CD which is out. Now you are saying somebody else has released the sex CD. What is this election? If Hardik Patel goes to a hotel room with a woman, what does it have to do? Will Gujarat become less prosperous if he did not go? What does Hardik Patel's chastity or virginity or non-virginity have to do with the
You're not
Gujarat
even saying
elections?
that. Who is
What
making issue of
Hardik
it?
Patel does in the confines of his private space, what do they have to do with Gujarat's economy, Gujarat's society, Gujarat's well-being, law and order in
देखिए,
Gujarat? ये क्या है? संबित
अर्नब
पात्रा,
जी।
शकील उस्मान अंसारी,
हेलो
Arnav, may I
Mr.
come in,
Ansari.
please?
ये अर्नब जी, ये गुजरात के इलेक्शन अभी आपने खुद सुनाया हार्दिक पटेल का कि कई सीडियां ये पहले से कह रहे थे कि मैं निकालूंगा और निकाल रहे हैं। ये इसलिए सीडी निकाल रहे हैं कि हार्दिक पटेल को अपना वोट बैंक बना के रखने में ये फेलियर हो गए हैं और हार्दिक पटेल इनके साथ जायज और नाजायज गुजरात के इलेक्शन में साथ देने को तैयार नहीं है। तो ये जो इनकी राजनीति है हर स्तर पर, अगर कोई आदमी विरोध करता है तो ईडी का छापा हो जाता है, इनकम टैक्स का छापा हो जाता है और आज ये सीडी निकालने को तैयार हो जाते हैं। तो ये और वो भी सीडी को गलत और रॉन्ग सीडी है, गलत सीडी है। जब वो हार्दिक पटेल कह रहे हैं कि हार्दिक पटेल ने खुद कहा ये गलत सीडी है, तो इनको कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। कौन इनकी सरकार वहां है? अब इस तरह से डरा के धमका के पुलिस से डरते और उसके डर से ना जब कोई मानता है तो अब ये जो है गंदी तरीके की राजनीति की शुरुआत गुजरात के इलेक्शन में ये बीजेपी के लोगों ने जो की है ये बहुत ही गंदी बात है और इसको कंडेम करना चाहिए। क्या आपका कोई साथ नहीं दे तो उसके लिए आप जीना हराम कर देंगे क्या? ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा मत कीजिए। हिंदुस्तान के डेमोक्रेसी धब्बा मत लगाने की कोशिश कीजिए। समित भाई, आप ऐसा मत कीजिए, इस तरह के काम मत कीजिए। अभी आपने एक जगह जब आपके लोगों का हुआ उत्तराखंड में, तो आपने क्या किया, एक जर्नलिस्ट को 1 घंटे के अंदर आपने अरेस्ट करके जेल भेज दिया, और आप वहां पर
सुनिए साहब, मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं,
ये बहुत ही गलत बात है। इससे आप बात आ जाइए, इससे आपकी इमेज जनता में और गिर रही है, और आपके हार के
और ये गलत सीडी रिलीज कर रही है। मैं आपसे पूछता हूं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी को अगर ऐसी सीडी बनाती और रिलीज करती, तो हार्दिक पटेल से कांग्रेस के और बड़े बड़े लीडर हैं उनकी बनाती। हमने तो कभी ऐसा नहीं बनाया कांग्रेस के किसी लीडर का।
What do you mean?
आप बताइए।
What do you mean?
क्यों बोल रहे हैं किसी और?
What do you mean?
कर रहे हैं
अरे
ना,
भैया,
आज
पहले आप
हार्दिक
सोच लीजिए क्या
पटेल
बोल
जब
रहे हैं।
आपके साथ थे तो आपने क्यों नहीं किया? नहीं, आप
अरे
क्या
हमारे
कर रहे हैं,
साथ
आपके
देखिए,
लोग
उस
क्या कर रहे
आइडियोलॉजिकल
हैं? आप
तरीके
एक
से
दिन
जो
कोई आदमी
व्यक्ति
विरोध करता
हमारे
है
साथ
तो
बिल्कुल
आप
नहीं है, वो
उसका
तो राहुल
ईडी और
गांधी
इनकम
है।
टैक्स का छापा
वो तो
करा
राहुल
देते हैं।
गांधी है। क्या हमने राहुल गांधी जी का इस प्रकार से कोई
नहीं,
सीडी
नहीं,
बनाया?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
तो फिर
नहीं, आप इस
I mean to say that
Tanveer Ahmed is on the debate. Tanveer Ahmed is furious.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी
Sambit, you take back your words. You take back your words.
Why would we not be
Sambit ji,
manufacturing
take back your
CDs at
words.
all leaders?
Tanveer is saying,
Why
take
would
back your
Sambit
words.
ji
Take back your words.
Tanveer
What
is
do you
saying,
mean
take
by
back your
that?
words.
You mean to say everybody's? Yeah, you can really, you can.
So we don't believe in
Sambit,
this
you take back your
manufacturing
words.
business. What take
I'm
back your
sorry,
words?
Sambit, you
We
can't
don't
really
believe in
use
this
those words against Rahul
manufacturing
Gandhi or
business
anybody.
unlike you. So naturally,
What
Sambit
are you
Ahmed.
saying, Sambit? Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind?
Because of the fact that they have no
Are you
such
out of your mind,
issue to
Sambit?
fight election
You are a
on.
good debater
You have
and
no
you are a
issues
good
to fight
human
election
being.
on.
We respect you as a human being. Today आपने
Yes.
इंसानियत का स्तर नीचे कर दिया, संबित जी।
Please respect me.
आपने
I own my
एक
respect
प्रवक्ता का
because of the
स्तर
fact
नीचे
that I
कर
speak
दिया।
the truth. Why
एक
would Bharatiya
प्रवक्ता
Janata
का
Party
स्तर नीचे
stoop so
कर दिया
low?
आपने।
Why would we
हम
be
आपको
making such
बहुत
series?
रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं। What do you mean
आप
that
लोगों
you are
के
going
पास
to
आप
release the
लोगों
CD
के
of
पास कोई
Rahul
मुद्दा
Gandhi?
नहीं है।
No.
Who said that?
अरे
When did I say
आपके
that?
पास कोई मुद्दा
आप
नहीं है,
सुनते
संबित
नहीं, आपके
जी।
earpiece
आप
में
है ना
problem है
विकास
क्या?
के बारे में बात कीजिए।
नहीं, आपके
आप विकास
earpiece
के
में
बारे में
problem है
बात
क्या?
कीजिए। आप राहुल
किसने
गांधी की
कहा
सीडी
कि
बना रहे हैं?
किसी
What do you
release
mean
कर
by
रहे
that?
हैं?
क्या आपको कोई अवेलेबल है?
जी को सुनाई
अरे
दे नहीं
आपके
रहा है।
3-3
ये यहाँ
मंत्रियों की
चिल्ला
सीडी
रहे
नहीं
हैं।
थी।
अरे हमने
असेंबली
किसी
के
का
अंदर
सीडी रिलीज
बैठे
करना
हुए-
था तो किसी
असेंबली
बड़े का
के अंदर
करते ना।
बैठे हुए सेक्स
तो
सीडी से
इसलिए
कहते हैं
झूठी
आपके
बातें
लोग।
अपनी तरफ रखिए। Don't
अरे
spread
संबित
rumors
जी,
just
come on,
because
come
of
on.
the fact that you have no
आपके पास
issue
क्या
to contest
तो
election
मुद्दा
now.
है?
Mr. Ahmed,
अरे
your
संबित
party is
जी,
not
I'm
even
sorry.
contesting
Sambit
election
is a
in Gujarat.
gentleman.
So why
I
do you
respect
want
him
to
as a
falsely
gentleman.
jump into
But
the
today,
boat
Sambit
that
The debate is on. The debate is on. Shakil Zaman Ansari. Mr. Ansari. Mr. Ansari, Tanveer Ahmed is asking Sambit Patra to apologize.
आपके एजेंडा में शामिल हो गया है
संगीत
और
रागी,
माफी मांगना चाहिए।
संगीत रागी,
आप लोग कितने बौखलाए हुए हैं साहब।
संगीत रागी।
कोई एजेंडा नहीं है आपके पास।
Arnav, what
You have
is
no
important?
agenda.
Arnav, we are going to discuss
एजेंडा
the
तो
CD.
आपके पास नहीं है।
Certainly, the
समित जी,
people would
आपके
seek
पास कौन
certain
सा
degree
एजेंडा
of
है, जवाब
probity and
बताइए।
moral integrity
आपने
from a leader
गुजरात
who
को
is going to
डेवलपमेंट
lead
के
the-
बजाय विनाश में कर
who is-
दिया है।
who is trying to
आपके
lead the state.
गुजरात के लोगों ने
Remember,
इनवाइस पर
there
लिख
is a
दिया, कमल
contradiction
का
within
फूल
the
है माधुरी
statement
फूल।
of Hardik
Tanveer
Patel
Ahmed.
itself. Remember the fact that he is saying that the CD has been morphed.
I am sorry.
Then he is saying that
Sambit,
BJP is
your
interfering into
government has
the
totally
privacy
lost.
of my life.
Your
Then he is saying
your
that
GDP
BJP
is low.
is interfering in my
People are
personal
dying
life.
because of
That
malnutrition,
he is acknowledging
farmer suicide.
that
We all know
CD
that
is
you are
right.
not able to come
Secondly,
back
he
after
is
what
at the
happened,
same time
during
saying
the
that
floods.
he will be
And
releasing
today
the
you are
similar
saying
kind
that
of
only
CD
CD is your
that
agenda.
also goes
I am
to say
sorry,
that
Sambit
he is
Patra
accepting
has
that the
really
CD
gone down
what
the
has come
low
to
the
the
level
public
of a
life is
spokesperson.
true.
We
So
respect
important
Sambit Patra,
question is
but
that
today
a
he
person
has
who
really
is going
stooped to a low
lead
level
the
for
state,
bringing
what is
across
the moral
a CD saying
status
that
of
he is
that
going to do
person?
sting
What is the
operation of
moral
Rahul
integrity
Gandhi.
of the
What do you mean by
person?
Sambit Patra?
That question
I
needs to
want to
apologize
ask
by
you-
the entire nation.
I would like to ask you on this. Now, Professor Sangeet Ragi, Professor Sangeet Ragi, I just want to ask you one question here. You are saying today about the morals of Hardik Patel. I am asking, so what? So what? Have you ever thought here, what about the woman? There are two options. One is, it is him. If it is him, 1 minute. If it is him, 1 minute. If it is him, I am asking you. I am asking you. You have not just, 1 second, not just has Hardik Patel been recorded, but a woman who is with Hardik Patel has been recorded.
At all. So this question doesn't arise. More important question is that what Hardik Patel was doing. What is the guarantee that Hardik Patel doesn't do with other women also? What is the moral status of the Hardik Patel? Even the
What
Patidar
moral
community
status?
is asking
He
this question
is
or no?
not
It is not
in
only me
that
or
picture.
others. There are others also who are asking this question.
What moral?
You can see it. Anyone who
Arnav,
knows
I have one
anything about
important point over
visuals.
here.
No,
If
no,
you allow
one
me to
second.
come in for
One
a
second.
few
You
seconds.
are raising a question here
Sunil ji,
about
I
his
have one
morals.
important point, if
One
you allow
second,
me to come
Ratan
in for a few
Sharda.
seconds.
Ratan Sharda, I wish to understand today. What does Hardik Patel's personal life have to do with his politics? And here we are saying, what about Hardik Patel's morals? What morals? So what? So what if it is him? If it is him in this sex
first of all,
CD,
how are people
one second,
jumping?
Ratan
Sir,
Sharda,
please allow
Ratan
me.
Sharda, what has Hardik
Please allow
Patel
me.
done?
It is not
No, no,
he.
no. What, sir, 1 minute. What has Hardik Patel done which is blasphemous? Has nobody from the ruling party or any other party
First
which has
of all,
ruled
let
India
me
ever had
say,
sex?
everybody
I'm sorry,
is
but
hammer
are we
and tongs
saying
against
today
BJP.
that we have reached a population of
remember
1.3 billion
Arvind Kejriwal's
and nobody has
series
had
were
sex?
released by his
No politician
colleagues.
in India has had sex?
No, no, don't
What
try to blame
craziness is
anybody.
this?
First
I'm
of
sorry.
all,
Sir, you must
Arnav,
answer the
don't
question.
be there
I
with
am
an
asking
agenda.
you,
Let me
Ratan
explain to
Sharda,
you.
what does the CD
Arvind
prove?
Kejriwal's videos were released by his friends.
What? I am asking you,
I
what does
have
the
not
CD
said
prove?
anything against the CD or for the CD.
No,
Please
but
try
but
to what I'm
what's
trying
okay?
to
No,
say.
no, no. But
I am saying
Sangeet Ragi,
videos of
Sangeet
Arvind
Ragi, Sangeet
Kejriwal,
Ragi, Sangeet Ragi.
his messages are released
Sangeet
by his
Ragi
own
raised the
people.
issue of morals.
Why are you saying it's released by BJP?
Sangeet Ragi
Tell me
raised the
first of
issue
all,
of
how do you
morals.
assume it's by BJP?
Sangeet Ragi raised the
What
issue of
grounds are you
morals.
saying this?
Anyone
Why
who
everybody is
knows
crying
anything-
foul?
Sangeet Ragi raised the
These
issue of morals.
people
Sangeet Ragi on the
who
right.
slyly
Tanveer
remarked
Ahmed
about
on the right.
Prime
Sangeet
Minister.
Ragi, what was your
Today
point on
they're
morals?
beating their
Yes,
breast.
I raised the issue and I stand by it, Arnav.
What is the issue?
I'm not backtracking. I
And what is the
stand by
issue
what I
precisely?
said. That the people in public life have to show the moral integrity and public probity.
Okay, so what is wrong with what he has done?
Yes, I have one question to
I-
Mr. Sangeet Ragi. I have one question to Mr. Sangeet Ragi, Arnab.
No, no. Yeah, no.
No, you ask multiple questions, Mr.
And also to Mr. Sambit Patra. Sir, 1 second, sir. We
So
all
today you
know
have
that
come
you are
as the
questioning that
examiner.
people living in
You will
public
only ask
life
questions,
needs to
sir.
really have integrity. Let us really speak about Lakshman
I'll answer
Saudi, who is a BJP candidate, was caught watching a pornographical movie
So you have
in
already
assembly,
repeated these
and BJP
allegations.
shamelessly
Let me
gives
come
him a
to the
ticket
point and
again.
answer you. Tanveer, I will
Arey,
not beat around the
sir,
bush. I will be direct
aap
to the
hai
point.
na,
Let me answer. I understand your question and I want to make a larger point. Please allow me, Tanveer. Allow me. With due respect, allow me. Number one, CD is
sir,
immaterial.
please, sir, please,
CD is
please, sir.
important. CD meaning ladder. I mean, look, today we are discussing Hardik Patel as if he is far more important than Rahul Gandhi or any top leader of the Congress party in Gujarat. As if the whole Gujarat campaign of the Congress is being taken over by Hardik Patel. Hardik, Alpesh and Jignesh, is this the CD, that is the ladder of Congress party? And the Congress believes that through these people, Congress is going to stake claim of power in Gujarat. Absolutely wrong. Today we see a Congress party which is non-existent. Today while we are debating Gujarat elections, we are talking about Hardik Patel, not about Rahul Gandhi or a Bharat Singh Solanki
Sambit,
or say a Modwadia or
Sambit,
a
will you arrest
Gohel
Ashwin
or a
Patel?
Ahmad Patel.
Sir,
Because
you
of
are
the
the
fact
one
that
who
Congress
took
is
up blame,
bereft of
Swami.
leaders.
Sambit, 1 second. May I please, Tanveer, I want to ask Sambit a question here, please.
Sir, we all know
This-
that whose
this-
on whose
this
support
response-
you won Haryana
Tanveer.
election, Mr. Sambit. We
Tanveer.
all know on whose
Tanveer.
support you won Haryana election.
Tanveer,
Have
Tanveer,
you forgotten the
Tanveer, Tanveer,
Swamiji was
Tanveer,
there, right now in jail?
Tanveer, 1 minute.
So what if at all he has
Tanveer,
to
1
leave
minute.
that CD?
Tanveer,
पता है कि हम कैसे
Tanveer,
जीतते हैं, मगर उसी formula को apply करके ये
Tanveer,
नहीं जीतते।
Tanveer, please give me 20 seconds. In 20 seconds, if you allow me, I will pulverize, destroy, decimate Sambit Patra's argument. Now, Sambit, listen to me very carefully. Don't think you're going to get away easily.
No, I'm not arguing in favor
Don't
of
be on the
breaching
defensive,
anyone's
Sambit
privacy or
Patra. It's
not.
been some time.
I'm not arguing in favor of.
It's been some time, Sambit Patra. You now need some questioning, Sambit Patra. And I would request you to accept some
You
questions.
can question me.
Thank you.
But please don't. No, this is wrong, Mr. Goswami. With all due respect to you, when we project that Bharatiya Janata Party is the one which is responsible for this act, why? Why do we conclude so? What made anyone conclude so? Why would Bharatiya Janata Party
Sambit
trend the path
Patra,
which
you
it
are
never
about to be
believes in?
questioned.
We firmly
I would
believe in
request
privacy.
you.
We
I
believe
would
in
request you,
development.
Mr.
You
Patra.
can grill me on counts
I
of
would
development.
request you, Mr. Patra, to submit yourself for questioning. Thank you. My question number 1.
Yeah, my
A
God,
gentleman
it's like
sitting 4 feet
CBI
away
submit-
from you.
Okay, well, I submit myself.
A gentleman sitting 4 feet away from you has raised the issue of morality. Please listen to me carefully. He says that this tape is a reflection on Hardik Patel's morality, right? Can you tell me whether in your view, and you are the national BJP spokesperson, you are about to be quoted on this, whether in your view, this tape, if it is Hardik, throws up any questions on his morality, on his morals. Suppose it is Hardik Patel in a hotel room with a woman in an intimate position, then I am asking you, do you believe, one second, do not do this, do not do this. Why are you batting for Sambit? Do you think he can't take my answer? Sambit Patra is the national BJP spokesperson. Do you believe, and I will quote you on this, I will quote you on this for the next 24 hours. Do you believe, as a national BJP spokesperson, that if it is Hardik on the tape, it is a reflection on Hardik's morality? Don't dodge, yes or no?
Now, my quote goes hence. Quote, Bharatiya Janata Party does not discuss Hardik Patel.
Rubbish. Answer my question. See, Tanveer dodged.
We have better things to... Please, I am
Sunit
answering
Chopra
your question.
dodged.
And since you want a quote, Mr. Goswami,
Dodged.
respectfully, I am submitting a quote. Bharatiya Janata Party does not discuss non-issues. For Bharatiya Janata Party, development of Gujarat is an issue. What someone else does is something which will be defended or not defended by that particular individual.
Question number 2.
Today, I firmly believe that Congress and the supporters of Congress, as Hardik, Alpesh or Jignesh, have run out of issue, and that's the reason as to why there's a rhetorical debate going on around an issue which we are seeing today.
Okay, second question. Would you arrest Ashwin Patel? Simple question. And for viewers who don't know who Ashwin Patel is, I want to tell you viewers, Ashwin Patel is a man who is going around saying that he has sex tapes of Hardik Patel, Sunit Chopra, and will release them. He has openly been threatening he will release them. Now my question is, he has said, and I quote, Ashwin Patel says, he says, I have more stuff where he's exploiting and assaulting a woman. I have a video, but I won't release. I will release the audio in 4 days. I'm giving him 4 days to clear his stand and then release. In my view, this is political blackmail. I want to ask the BJP spokesperson, Sambit Patra, on the...
arrested.
Will the BJP arrest a person who is carrying out the political blackmail of your political rival? Right? You should. If you are law-abiding government, you will. If you want to protect the person who is blackmailing Hardik Patel, you won't. If you want to not abuse the law, you won't. You are on test right now, Tanveer Ahmed. Should the BJP, in order to share it is objective, should they arrest this person under IPC section 292A and IPC section 499? Tanveer Ahmed, no, Shakil-uz-Zaman Ansari. Should you arrest this person? Where is Hardik Patel? He's supposed to come live.
That the police is under the Election Commission now, under the orders of Election Commission.
Answer my question, will you arrest Ashwin Patel?
And it is not under
Shakil-uz-Zaman Ansari, Sambit Patra को कहना चाहिए Ashwin Patel को arrest करें कि नहीं करेंगे?
What I heard right now,
क्यों नहीं करेंगे?
Hardik Patel saying that he has seen
नहीं
By that logic, do you advocate the arrest of Hardik Patel also is a question?
नहीं, बीजेपी के लोग इसी तरह के काम करते रहेंगे जिससे बीजेपी को कोई नहीं सीडी बनाने का काम किसी ने भी क्या हो, सीडी
को भी संभालना
रिलीज करने का आज जो मौका है वो क्यों है? परमापेशी इसलिए तय हो जाती है, परमापेशी क्या चुनाव में जब हार्दिक पटेल आपके खिलाफ है तो आप एक सीडी रिलीज कर रहे हैं?
और
अरे छोड़िए सर, वो पीडी को संभालिए, काहे सीडी कर रहे हैं?
नहीं. And the second question is, please Sambit Patra answer the question today. Humor is not going to work. And one second.
आपके पास कोई डेवलपमेंट का प्रोग्राम नहीं है?
Shakil,
why should I be concerned, Mr. Goswami, about any of this? The police is under the Election Commission. If the Election Commission feels fit, it will take its action.
Is this underhand tactics by the BJP?
Law and order is not under Election Commission.
We have better things to do.
Law and order जो है कोई भी नहीं है.
Better things to do rather than prying into anyone's individual affair. We do not spy into anyone's affair.
आप करा रहे हो ना, आप ये काम करा रहे हो, इसलिए आप इसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं।
आपको
आप
तो डर
करा
क्यों लग
रहे
रहा
हैं
है?
क्योंकि कोई आदमी आपके साथ नहीं आ रहा है, तो
डर
सीडी
क्यों लग
निकाल
रहा है,
लो,
सर?
इनकम टैक्स को भेज दो, ईडी
अरे,
को भेज दो।
हमारे साथ तो
इससे
बहुत लोग
इलेक्शन
नहीं है, हमने
चलेगा।
कितनों का ऐसा करा है, आपको लग रहा है
गुजरात
कि
के
झूठी बातें
इलेक्शन
क्यों
में
हैं?
किस तरह के
हमारे साथ तो आप भी नहीं है, हमारे साथ तो कांग्रेस भी नहीं है, हमारे साथ तो लेफ्ट भी नहीं है।
गुजरात की जनता
हम यही
आपको
काम
सबक
करते रहेंगे
सिखाने
क्या?
को तैयार
हमारा
है।
ये काम है, आपको लगता है? अरे
गुजरात के
हमारा
लोगों
काम
ने
विकास
किस तरह
का
से आपके पास है, गुजरात के व्यापारियों ने लिख दिया है। आप क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
You have lost the narrative. You have lost the
संगीत
narrative.
रागी,
Yes,
संगीत
don't
रागी।
try to corner the Bharatiya Janata Party on non-issues. It is not going to work.
कहीं
You have lost
कहीं
the
ऐसा
narrative.
तो नहीं है कि कांग्रेसी जो है वो हार्दिक पटेल को ब्लैकमेल करके इलेक्टोरल सीट्स पर निगोशिएशन के लिए ऐसा कर रही है। ये आप कंजेक्चर पर क्यों ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं? कंजेक्चर्स के बेसिस
ये
पर
तो
क्यों
आप
डिबेट
ये आप ऐसी बात कर रहे हो ना,
ऐसा तो नहीं।
ये आप हर जगह आपकी यही काम है और यही आप बोल रहे हो। आप दूसरे की बात करते हो अपने मन में रखने, जो काम करते हो वो दूसरे पर इल्जाम लगाते हो। आप यही कह रहे हो। हार्दिक पटेल, स्वतंत्र हार्दिक पटेल जब आपके साथ थे तो कोई सीढ़ी नहीं थी। हार्दिक पटेल आपके साथ नहीं आज जा रहे हो, तो आप सीढ़ी निकाल रहे हो। और जो आदमी भी आपके खिलाफ बोलता है उसके यहाँ इनकम टैक्स भेज देते हो, ईडी भेज देते हो। अरे कौन सी डेमोक्रेसी हिंदुस्तान में लाना चाहते हो? आप कौन सा हिटलरिज्म करना चाहते हो? देश की जनता कभी स्वीकार नहीं करेगी, न तुम्हें माफ करेगी। अब क्या कह रहे हो?
I want to ask you.
ये गलत और झूठ बोलने के लिए आपको
He kept on lying, he kept on lying and he kept on betraying the people of Gujarat.
वो क्या कह रहा है?
Gujarat was on fast track of development. It is Hardik
What
Patel
does-
and two of his friends who have brought
आपने
it
कोई
to
development
the
नहीं किया
ethnic
है।
politics and this
BJP
kind of a
के लोगों ने वहाँ
politics which
development
reminds
नहीं
the
किया है,
politics of
इसलिए वहाँ-
Uttar Pradesh
I
and
want to
Bihar
ask
and
you,
this country.
Sambit Patra, a very important question, and I'm finding a lot of BJP links and things nowadays. Sambit Patra, Sambit Patra, Sambit Patra, Sambit Patra, Sambit Patra. The man
not
who has
speaking,
been
by the way.
threatening to,
I was quiet.
the man who has been threatening to release sex tapes, audio tapes and videotapes of Hardik Patel is a person who has been saying that he is going to be meeting the topmost BJP leaders for discussions on the issue of reservations. Therefore, it is proven that this person is extremely close to the BJP. Now think very logically. A person extremely close to the BJP has access to sex tapes of Hardik Patel and begins a process of a slow release of the tapes, threatening Hardik Patel that in 4 days I will come up with a fresh tape. In other words, trying to influence Hardik Patel in what appears to be an open case of political blackmail. Now answer the question. Will you deny that the person in question, Ashwin Patel, has any relationship with the BJP? Because if it comes out tomorrow that he has links with the BJP and you didn't act against him, much in the way in which Grace Pinto is a national secretary of the BJP Mahila wing, and you were quiet on that matter all this while, in the Ryan International School murder case, if it comes out that the person blackmailing Hardik Patel with sex tapes is a person extremely close to the BJP, will you still then say that you have nothing to do with it? Now remember, people are watching you, and the one question people are asking Tanveer Ahmed tonight is this: what is more important, the price of onions or Hardik Patel's sex life? What is more important, development in this country or who Hardik Patel went to the hotel room with? What is more important, the economy of the country and the economic condition and jobs for millions of people in this country, or who Hardik Patel had sex with? And if it has come down to this, then tell the people of this country that this is what it has come down to.
Mr. Goswami,
Sambit Patra, then tell the people of this country that this is what it has come down to. No, Ratan Sharda, it must be told.
People of this country through your channel, I'm repeating myself.
I am going, I
But let
want
me
to,
tell you, as far
I
as
want
Hardik
a
Patel
clear
is
answer
concerned,
tonight.
He is a non-issue for Bharatiya Janata Party. And I have told you what he does, where he goes, which hotel he goes, does not matter to Bharatiya Janata Party. We have far better things to do, and that's what we are pursuing. Secondly, and extremely importantly, I also heard in the Republic channel that Hardik Patel was saying that he is going to pull out some CDs of BJP leaders as well. So naturally, do you also agree that this is also a threat?
You know,
is this
all
also a threat?
BJP is
Do
worried
you see
about
that
is-
also as a threat and a blackmail tactics? If that is the
संबित
same,
जी,
then
संबित
are those
जी,
words
आप
that we
गुजरात
have just
डेवलपमेंट के
spoken
बारे
of the
में
other
बात नहीं
person
करेंगे
holds
जैसे
good for
अर्नब ने
Hardik
कहा
Patel?
आपने अनियन की प्राइस के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे
तो हम तो अरे भैया
आप
हम तो
पट्टेदार
मैं
समाजों
तैयार हूं
का
मैं
जो
लिख के
उनका
लाया हूं
आंदोलन है,
जीडीपी ऑफ
उसके बारे में
गुजरात
बात
कितना
नहीं
है
करेंगे।
और उसके बाद
आपको जो भी
डिमोनेटाइजेशन
है,
का फायदा क्या
आप
हुआ
पर्सनल लेवल
और
पे आते हो।
9% मुस्लिम्स इन द गवर्नमेंट
आपको जब
स्कीम्स इन
यूपी का
गुजरात
इलेक्शन आता है तो
condition of
आपको
Muslims in Gujarat is
शमशान
far
और
better than any
खबरस्तान
other
याद आ
state.
जाता
The
है।
Gujarat model of
शमशान और
development.
खबरस्तान के बारे में आप बात करते हो।
Let's discuss that. I don't want
अरे
to discuss the
गुजरात
CD.
मॉडल
I
इज
want
नो
to discuss
मॉडल, इट इज अ
Gujarat.
फेक मॉडल।
I want to
वी ऑल
discuss
नो
Gujarat.
देयर इज
Let us
नथिंग
start.
कॉल्ड
Let us
गुजरात
start on Gujarat model of development.
गुजरात
Mr.
मॉडल तो
Tanveer Ahmed,
फेक
how
मॉडल
many
है।
percentage
वी ऑल
of
नो आपका
Gujarat
जीडीपी
Muslims
वीक
have
है,
found way to
आपका
government
डेवलपमेंट
services?
वीक है।
Answer this question.
Hardik.
Face some quiz. Answer this question. बताइए कितने परसेंटेज मुस्लिम जो है गुजरात में उनको सरकारी
I don't
नौकरी
think,
मिली है
I'm sorry,
गुजरात
you are
में?
not the
बताइए,
anchor of the
आपको
program.
development
If
पे-
the anchor of the program, Mr. Arnab Goswami asked me
अच्छा
this
अभी तो
question,
बोल
I
रहे थे
will
कि डेवलपमेंट पे
definitely answer
डिस्कशन
it.
करो डेवलपमेंट पे
If Mr.
डिस्कशन
Arnab
करो
Goswami-
जैसे ही डेवलपमेंट पे डिस्कशन किया अरे
अरे
आप एंकर
debate
नहीं
कीजिए
है
आप,
लेट अस
आप
डिबेट
question answer
लेट अस
मत
डिबेट
कीजिए।
डेवलपमेंट
आप quiz खेलेंगे
लेट अस
आप मेरे
डिबेट
साथ।
जीएसटी लेट अस
अरे
डिबेट
आप
डिमोनेटाइजेशन
quiz
लेट अस
आप
डिबेट
आज
लीडरशिप
as a
आई एम रेडी
spokesperson,
आई एम
आप
रेडी
totally-
रिमूव द
आप
सीडी आई डोंट
totally
वांट टू
हार
डिबेट
गए
इन
हो
द
as a
सीडी
spokesperson। आप एज ए स्पोक्सपर्सन टोटली हार गए हो। अभी
कैसे हार गए भैया आपने बोला डेवलपमेंट पे डिबेट करो मैं कहा चलिए डेवलपमेंट पे डिबेट करो तो आप बोल रहे हैं आप हार गए
चलिए
मतलब आप
कीजिए
बोल के भेजते हैं,
जीडीपी
बोलते
के बारे में
रहना,
बात
बोलते रहना,
कीजिए।
मतलब नहीं है सिर्फ बोलते
गुजरात जीडीपी के बारे में बात कीजिए।
चलिए
आप बात कीजिए
GDP
गुजरात
कितना
के
है, अभी
डेवलपमेंट के
कितना
आपका
है?
जो फेक मॉडल था
बताइए
उसके बारे में बात
अभी इंडिया का
कीजिए।
जीडीपी कितना है बताइए जरा तनवीर अहमद
अरे आप मुझसे
नहीं,
सवाल
अच्छा,
मत
बताइए।
कीजिए,
संबित,
आप जवाब
GDP
दीजिए। मैं बताता हूँ
संबित,
कर्नाटक का
संबित,
जीडीपी कितना है।
संबित,
तो आई एम रेडी टू डिस्कस ऑन
संबित,
जीडीपी
संबित,
तनवीर
at a
अहमद
broader level.
हरियाणा का कितना आपका मैं बताता हूँ। आप गुजरात
Sambit,
का बात
Sambit.
कीजिए।
Sambit, what does the Hardik Patel sex tape have anything to do with the youth of Gujarat who are on the street demanding jobs?
So I have nothing to do with his sex life or
Okay, then-
we have nothing to do with his sex
No,
life.
but you certainly do.
Whatever he wants to enjoy.
You
he's
certainly
free
do.
to
You
that.
certainly
If
do
people in
because
the society
because
ask
what?
certain
No, no,
questions,
certainly,
we
Sambit,
cannot lead the
Sambit,
mouth of the people.
Sambit,
But
please
as a
now listen to
political
me.
party,
Sambit,
we have
listen to
nothing
me.
to do with
Do not
anyone's
speak
CD.
over me,
We
Sambit
have to do
Patra.
with development
Do
in
not
Gujarat.
speak over me,
That is
Sambit
all.
Patra. Do not speak over me. I will give you a clear example
over you,
and
Mr.
I will
Goswami,
want
not
to
talk.
see whether you have a balance in your argument. In the state of Chhattisgarh, just 2 or 3 weeks back, a journalist was arrested for possessing sex tapes of politicians, which included one sex tape of a sitting Chhattisgarh BJP cabinet minister. You picked up the person, immediately took him into lockup and put him into questioning. In this case, there is a person who's openly saying that he possesses sex tapes of Hardik Patel and is going to slowly start releasing them in a few days. In this case, you refuse to take any action against the person.
Okay.
No, I'm sorry, and it's not okay. I am asking you, in one case, when a
answer
person
that,
has
Mr.
sex
Goswami.
tapes,
You
you
want
arrest the person and you teach him a
Mr.
lesson,
Goswami,
you ask him questions and you put him in lockup. Do you, in another case, you refuse to take any action against a person who says that he has sex tapes of Hardik Patel and is publicly blackmailing him? I want to ask you why you are being so hypocritical about it. Sambit Patra, please answer me and don't try the tactic of speaking over me. Sambit, why don't you answer my question? Is it difficult for you to answer my question? And people, including BJP supporters, I am asking a simple question. I am asking a simple question, and therefore, Sambit, don't try the tactic of speaking over me. Don't speak over me. Don't speak over me. Don't speak over me. Don't speak over me.
The fact is that journalist was extorting money.
Okay, and what is this person extorting?
Media cell wanted a huge sum of money.
Right, and in this case,
Extorting money is blackmailing. Extorting money is something which is illegal.
Sambit Patra and his party.
Anyone who tries to extort money naturally should be punished by the law.
Can I ask you one question?
Everyone would
Can I
agree
ask
to
you a
that
question? Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a
What is your
question?
government doing?
No. Sunit Chopra, 1 minute. Sunit Chopra, just wait. Sambit Patra, today you are truly getting into your own argument and you are getting caught up. And what happens, Sambit, is when you say one thing which
No,
is
I'm
wrong,
not
then you
getting
say
into
another
the
thing, then you are
argument
going to be
because I
caught in
don't
your own
want
web.
to discuss Hardik Patel.
Sambit, you have
Why
just
should I be
said,
discussing Mr.
you have
Patel?
just said that the reason you acted in one case against a journalist who was having sex tapes and in another case, you're not acting against
not
another
we who
person is
acted. There
because
was an FIR,
your
remember.
government acted. No, your
Mr.
BJP government in
Goswami, there
Chhattisgarh,
was a private
BJP
FIR.
government in
You were not aware
Chhattisgarh
of the
acted.
matter.
Sambit
There
Patra,
was a
please.
private FIR.
Sambit Patra,
The
why is
police
speaking?
inquired.
Sambit Patra,
There was
you know the
extortion
problem
of
is
money.
the problem
The
is when I
judge
say
felt
things
that
that you
this was a
agree with.
clean, fit case
When I
for
say things that you agree
they
with, you
allowed the
listen.
custodial arrest.
Sambit, when I say things that you agree with, you listen very carefully. When I say things that you disagree with,
I
you
listen to
speak
you
over me.
always.
Don't do this, Sambit. My question is, their BJP government, here BJP
Please.
government, their sex tape, here sex tape, their absolute immediate arrest, police detention, judicial custody, etc., here absolute inaction. Now you say the difference is because in that case the person was extorting the sex tapes for money. My question is, and the nation wants to know, in this case, do you think the person who has sex tapes against Hardik Patel and is threatening to go public about it is doing social service? Is the person doing social service?
See, Mr. Goswami.
No, don't say, I know my
Mr.
name. Is the
Goswami,
person doing
prior
social
to any
service?
legal action, there has
If
to be
somebody-
an FIR.
What?
I do not know whether Mr. Hardik Patel
Sambit,
has
you are
filed
looking
an
unsure
FIR or not.
tonight.
I do not know whether
You are
an
looking
FIR has
unsure
been filed
tonight,
to this
Sambit.
case. They can please go ahead
Sambit,
with an
what are you
FIR,
doing?
And I'm sure that the election commission under
I'm
which
sorry.
the police department falls today,
I'm very sorry.
as the state is under elections,
Sambit, what
will
are you doing?
surely act.
What are you doing?
There should be an
Are
FIR
you sure
to
of what
that
you're
effect.
saying?
Have they filed
Are you
an
sure
FIR?
of what
I'm
you're
not
saying?
aware. Please enlighten me, Mr. Tanveer
I'm
Ahmed, if
asking.
you're aware about an FIR. Has anyone filed an FIR? I'm not aware, to be very frank, because I do not follow this issue. I follow development. We follow development in Gujarat. For us,
Well, okay, Shakil Zaman Ansari, the debate is on. Mr. Ansari, debate is on. Mr. Ansari, debate is on.
हाँ मैं पूछ रहा हूं ना कि समित पात्रा क्या कह रहे हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन के अंडर में है
Where
कोई
is Hardik?
थेफ्ट होगा कोई
अरे
चोरी
अंसारी
होगी
जी,
कोई
आप तो
मर्डर
बीच-बीच में
होगा,
ऐसे
तो क्या
जग के आ
इलेक्शन
जाते हैं
कमीशन
बिल्कुल
वहां आके
एकदम।
गिरफ्तारी करेगा जो भी इंसिडेंट हो रहा है वहां पे
नहीं
उस पे
भैया,
कार्रवाई
मैं
कौन
कह रहा हूं,
करेगा
पुलिस अभी
ये नहीं
इलेक्शन कमीशन
करेंगे
के अंडर में होता है तो
वो
पुलिस ही गिरफ्तार
जर्नलिस्ट
करती
को
है।
2
मगर
बजे
सारा
रात में
निर्णय
गिरफ्तार
इलेक्शन
कर
कमीशन
लेंगे
लेता है,
और
उसको
6 बजे
स्टेट का चीफ
ऑर्डर
नहीं दे
देखिए।
सकता है।
इसलिए कि इनका नहीं समित
क्या
पात्रा
छेड़
आप गुमराह कर रहे हैं आप गुमराह मत कीजिए
क्या नहीं
आप
साहब,
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर
आपको तो पता
जब
होना
पॉलिटिकल
चाहिए जब
एक्शन
इलेक्शन
होगा
चल रहा
वो
होता है
उसके लिए हो
और
सकता है
मॉडल कोड
इलेक्शन
ऑफ
कमीशन
कंडक्ट आ
से
जाता है
परमिशन
तो
लेना
मॉडल कोड ऑफ
लेकिन
कंडक्ट
ये
में
जो लॉ एंड
इलेक्शन
ऑर्डर
कमीशन के
रूटीन
पास
में
सारी
गोइंग ऑन है
एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पावर
उसके
रहती
लिए
है।
आप क्या
एक
कह रहे हो
पुलिस
इलेक्शन
ऑफिसर का
कमीशन
तबादला
क्यों
स्टेट
जिम्मेदार
गवर्नमेंट
होगा
नहीं कर
आपकी
सकती
सरकार है वहां आप जिम्मेदार हो
अरे जिम्मेदार नहीं है भैया, आप एफआईआर
तबादला की क्या बात है आप एक्शन नहीं
एफआईआर
करोगे
किया है
क्या
आपने, एफआईआर किया नहीं,
आप
यहीं बैठ के करो
आप
करो
जिम्मेदार
कैसे
कैसे
होगा?
नहीं है पूरी सरकार
FIR
जिम्मेदार
करिए।
है जब तक सरकार है सरकार जिम्मेदार
अरे
है
भैया,
क्या वहां लूट की
रतन
घटना
शारदा,
होगी,
रतन शारदा,
इलेक्शन
रतन शारदा,
कमीशन लोगे?
रतन शारदा।
क्या वहां मर्डर हो जाएगा
रतन
तो
शारदा,
आलू
रतन शारदा।
आलू कहाँ से आए?
करोगे?
Just
क्या
रतन
बात कर
शारदा।
रहे हो आप
debate is on,
आप
रतन
जो
शारदा
है
is on the
ना,
debate.
समित जी
रतन
आप क्या
शारदा
कह
is
रहे
on the
हो?
debate.
हमें बात समझ
रतन
नहीं आ
शारदा।
रही
I'm just
है।
right,
आप
pointing
कानून
out-
का मखौल उड़ा रहे हो
I'm just
इलेक्शन
pointing
के
out
नाम पर
one
इलेक्शन
point.
कमीशन को आप इंडल्ज
Dear
कर
friend,
रहे हो।
please. I cannot shout. I just having one point. These people sitting here outraging like mad people, like, something as modesty of Hardik Patel has been touched. My point is, same people are laughing when Mr. Narendra Modi's personal life, family life, everything was dragged open, made fun of, ridiculed. Did any of these worthies ever raised a voice? Here is a young man whose moral turpitude is being shown by another of his friend. He
What
falls
is
in the
moral
same category
turpitude?
where
Ratan
Arvind Kejriwal's
Sharda,
friends opened his
Ratan
can of
Sharda,
worms.
how is it
And
moral
you are
turpitude?
telling-
Ratan
it is my view.
Ratan Sharda,
What
I
is your
want to know.
problem?
I want to know why is it
Arnab,
moral
it's
turpitude?
my view.
No,
I
I'm
am
sorry.
not BJP.
I am sorry. Why
I
did you
am not
use? No, I'm
BJP.
sorry. You used the word
person is
moral
supposed to have
turpitude.
moral standards
I want to know
in
why it
Indian
is moral
politics.
turpitude.
My point is,
I want to know why it is moral
You are avoiding
turpitude.
the main point.
Why is
Arnab,
it
my
moral
main point
turpitude?
why
That is
these
the main
worthies
point.
Sitting here,
No,
never
you are-
open
you
their
see,
white one.
is this
Narendra
part-
Modi is insulted.
Why is it
when his
moral
personal life was
turpitude?
dragged, when his mother
Why
was
is it
dragged,
moral
even
turpitude?
his ex-wife was dragged.
Why is it
Where were
moral
these people?
turpitude?
That is
Answer
my
me.
view. What is your problem?
Why is it moral
That's
turpitude?
my view.
No, why is it
What is your
your
problem?
क्या है
And it
my
is my
view.
view. I'm asking you,
Arnab,
why
I
is
don't
it moral
justify that's my
turpitude?
view.
Why is
That's
it? Why
my
is a
view.
bachelor?
That's my view, no?
A bachelor having sexual relations
Why
with
should
someone
you
is
go to
moral
hotels and
turpitude?
enjoy life with paid
No,
girls? I
what
don't
is
know
your
who
view?
These girls are.
I want to
have nothing do
understand
with
your
it.
what?
But I have
What did you say?
I have a right of view.
No, what did you say? These girls, what did you say?
Point of view.
What did you say?
I am saying,
What
why
did you say?
Narendra Modi's life was
No,
dragged
I
into
said
it?
you said moral
No, first
turpitude.
tell me.
I want to know where did moral turpitude come
I have
in from?
larger question. Why were these people sitting quietly?
I'm asking
first
you about
answer me.
moral
Why
turpitude.
these people sitting here were
I am
quietly
asking you about
enjoying
moral
the spectacle
turpitude,
of
sir.
insulting Mr. Modi?
The whole idea
Tell me
is-
that.
the whole idea
I am
is-
asking you.
I'm
I have
asking
a
you
counter
this, sir.
question. I have a counter. The whole idea is that you can insult the Prime Minister of the country. You can insult his wife. You can insult his mother. That is not. That is nothing to do with these people sitting here laughing their way when it was being done. Are they answerable? Will any of them open their mouth right now? Let them open their mouth.
What is the
Let them say
intention
they
of
were
releasing the
condemned
tape
their
before the
conduct.
Gujarat elections?
Then I will speak.
What is the intention of releasing the tape before the
What is
Gujarat
the
elections?
intention of insulting Modi? Why these people were quiet
I'm
at that time?
asking you, what is the
This was
intention-
released by his friends.
Why is this
It is
being
very
released
clear.
before the Gujarat election?
Who released Arvind Kejriwal's tapes?
If this
His
is
friends.
if Hardik Patel
You
is
have
not
to find
raping
out from the
someone, if
person. Who am I to answer?
no, Ratan
I am not
Sharda,
have a
you are
political
adding your
debate.
moral views on
I
this
am
whole
not
issue.
have a political
You're adding
debate.
your moral views
It
on the
is
whole
very
issue, and
clear.
that's not making sense to me. The question here is,
whole view
Hardik
is
Patel is having
why
sex in a
nobody
hotel room with a
opened his
man or a
mouth
woman
when
or
Modi
anyone
was
else,
insulted,
unless
his
it is
private
not
was dragged
consensual.
to
What is
open?
the problem?
No,
Have you
then why
proved that
did
it is
you
not
drag-
consensual?
Why did you drag their life?
Have
Why
you
you were
proved-
quiet when Narendra
Have you
Modi's
proved that it
life
was?
taken
Have you
out?
proved that it was
When
not?
his- when his
What is?
family was
What is?
insulted?
What
Why were
is?
quiet at that time?
Are you
Where
asking?
were these worthies sitting? This
Sir,
Ansari
sir,
and
you
all these
tell
guys,
me.
Tanveer,
Sir, you
did they
tell
ever
me
open their
why
mouth?
you are one of the worthies
Tell me
as well
this
on the
simple
program.
question.
So why don't you answer
They
me?
are
The Suni
showing
Chopra is on the
moral
debate right now.
outrage on
Suni
a young
Chopra is
man
on the
going to
debate. But my
hotel.
question is,
They are disturbed with
you
that.
are basically
Has
trying to
anyone
present a
heard
moral
the
argument
CD of
there.
Narendra Modi? What do you
No. So
None of
Tanveer
them
Ahmed
spoke.
is on the debate now.
Not
Tanveer
one
Ahmed.
person spoke.
Tanveer Ahmed, the question is
They are
slowly.
thinking
One
not
second. The
Narendra
question
Modi
is.
ideologically.
The question is, are we
Sanjeev, but
presenting? If
IPS
we are presenting a moral
officers
argument, then we should say
nobody
so.
opened the mouth.
Then we should say
Now
so
you're worried
directly.
about a young man
What's it? Tanveer
having fun in a
Ahmed.
hotel?
The question is, if you're making a moral argument, then make it open.
So
You say
young
that
man
yes,
is
we
when
are
he's
going to
running
fight the
cutting
elections.
hotels,
No,
that is a serious
Mr.
problem.
Ratan
Modi's
Sharda,
personal life is
Mr.
not a
Ratan
problem.
Sharda, I would like this to be done directly.
You have
I
double
don't,
standards.
Mr. Ratan
All
Sharda, listen to me. Why are you
hypocrites
speaking of me?
sitting here,
Mr. Sharda, listen to me. What I'm saying is, please do
Arnab,
so.
don't carry agenda for somebody.
Mr.
Why
Sharda,
is- what is
please,
the agenda?
if I disagree with you, it's not
Somebody
an
makes
agenda,
no-
okay?
somebody goes
If
to
I
hotel,
speak
his friends make a
against you,
tape,
it's not
they
an
release the
agenda.
tape,
Mr.
where does
Sharda,
BJP come in? Tell me
Mr.
simple
Sharda,
question.
if
How
I
they
speak
BJP?
against somebody else, it's not an
What
agenda.
they are saying,
And if
BJP,
I'm
tell me
questioning you, it is certainly not an agenda, Mr. Sharda.
saying-
Hear it loud and clear
What
from me.
agenda is-
My question
Who are you
is,
to question
if you
me?
want to
I'm
make
not
this
the
an issue
picture.
of morals,
My simple
then I
question
would
is,
like you
when
to openly
BJP
make it an
was
issue of
insulted,
morals.
everybody said
And say
quietly,
therefore, Mr.
is
Sharda,
Hardik
that
Patel
this
bigger than
election
Modi?
is going to be about personal morals.
What should
Can
I
you
say?
please hear someone else? Can you say this election is about morals?
But
Then let's have an election
that
on
is my
morals.
view.
Your morals
I am
versus
not
my
alleging
morals.
whether he's
What
good
are you
or
talking
bad.
about?
I am not
Sambit
criticizing
Patra
him.
is on the debate. Sambit,
Ratan
you want to fight an
Sharda,
election on
Ratan
morals, fight it
Sharda
directly.
ji,
What
Ratan
is the
Sharda.
morality? Why? I'll tell you
No,
one thing, Mr.
I
Ratan
don't-
Sharda.
let
One
me be
second,
very
I haven't
clear,
finished with you.
and
One,
I
sorry,
request
Sambit Patra.
It's a
I
political
want Ratan
dirty game
Sharda
that
to
the
listen to me
Congress
loud and clear tonight.
Who
Loud
played
and
the game
clear.
about NDTV?
Ratan Sharda, you hear me loud and
played
clear
about
tonight.
NDTV?
And when I'm
Who
speaking
played
to you,
about
you listen to me, Ratan Sharda. Listen to me. Talk to me about morals.
you don't allow me to speak,
Then
I'm not
listen to me,
allowed to
Mr.
speak.
Sharda.
You have
Have
to
the
allow me
courage
to
to
speak.
listen to me. I heard
You
you.
can't throw your
I heard you.
You can't throw your
I heard you.
attitude.
I heard you.
I will take your attitude.
I heard you. Now hear me. Let the country
never
ask you
answered
today,
about
what
Modi.
is
None
the
of these brothers
morals?
sitting here talking
What
about
is
Modi's
the
life is
morals?
black.
Mr. Sharda,
Tell me
Mr.
why these
Sharda,
people
don't
are
teach me
quiet.
morals.
Tell
Don't teach me
why
morals.
these people are quiet about Modi's personal
Mr.
life.
Sharda,
dragged into public.
Mr.
He was
Sharda,
being
quiet.
insulted. Why all of people are sitting quiet at that time? First answer me.
बोल रहे हो?
First
No,
answer me,
no,
then
no.
answer you.
Ratan
No, no,
Sharda
no.
ji,
What about Ram Rahim?
I'm sorry, I am asking Ratan Sharda a question. Directly me and Mr. Sharda. Now I want to ask him a question now. And you will have to answer me, Mr. Sharda. Mr. Sharda, Mr. Sharda, I am asking you a straight question. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. And this is no laughing matter. This is no laughing matter. Ratan Sharda, don't go on and on. Don't go on and give yourself a break. You ask me about morals. You have no right to ask me about morals, Mr. Sharda. If you have any consideration for morals, then I want to know today. Please,
And you
please,
don't
everybody.
answer question.
I
My
want
morality
30
is my own
seconds.
view.
I want 30 seconds of silence. I want to ask a question. Thank you. Now, please do not interrupt me for 1 minute. Morals. I want to know the morals.
You said 30 seconds.
Yeah, and I'm not begging you for time. I want to know the morals when a 7-year-old child is killed, right? And the school belongs to the BJP National Women's Wing National Secretary. When a minister from the BJP Haryana government goes and tried to put pressure on a mourning father, and the commissioner of the same BJP state government's police force sends an emissary to cut a deal, And when you do nothing, and when you desecrate the memory of a 7-year-old child who's murdered, I want to know, what are the morals of that, Mr. Sharda? Tell me, what are the morals of that? Don't teach me about morals, Mr. Sharda.
It's wrong. I won't
Answer
defend
that.
it.
Don't
I
you?
can't defend it.
That is morals.
I am
Apply
not
your sense
defending
of
it.
morality to those
It's wrong. I'm
situations.
answering.
Mr. Sharda,
I am
do not
answering.
lecture me. Do not lecture me on
My
morals.
dear friend,
Apply
I'm
your morals
answering.
there.
I am
That's
not
where we
defending
apply
it.
morals.
I am not
That's
defending
where
it.
we apply
I am
morals,
not
Sambit
defending it.
Patra.
I'm saying
That
it's
is
wrong.
where Sambit Patra we
I'm saying
apply
it's wrong.
morals. Sambit
Why
Patra.
should I defend it?
That's where we apply
Who am I
morals.
to defend it?
Sambit Patra.
I never defended it.
Thank you, Ratan Sharda. Sambit
Mr.
Patra
Mr.
on the
Goswami,
screen.
you are right.
Thank you.
We should not be judging anyone's morality. Just a second. We should not be judging anyone's morality. You are right, absolutely. And that's why I would conclude by saying that, well, yes, we have no business who goes to which hotel and how many times Mr. Patel or anyone has sex. Happy sex to all of them. They
What?
will have sex.
What
we
do you
will
mean?
have development.
What?
That
No,
is what
no,
is
no,
more
no.
important.
Because-
we don't want to
because
pry
this
into
has boomeranged
anyone's
on you.
bedroom. That is
Because
not
this has
our
boomeranged
business.
on you.
Sambit, I'm sorry. Sorry,
Because this
Sambit.
has boomeranged
What are
on you,
What are
Sambit.
you
No.
talking about, Sambit?
Why
today?
should
Because this has
boomerang
What
boomeranged
happened to
on
you?
you.
Is this
No,
Sambit
no,
Patra we all
Mr.
know?
Goswami. Bharatiya
Is
Janata
it the
Party's
Sambit
only
Patra we all
agenda
know?
is to fight for development, nothing else. And I should not be anyone to answer for these CDs.
Sambit ji.
Who is Hardik's friend, who is not Hardik's friend, because Hardik and Hardik's kind of politicking is none of our business. Our business is betterment of Gujarat. And remember, election of Gujarat is not just
Today,
about
the
one
way
person.
Sambit Patra
It is
ji
about
and Ratan
aspiration
Sharda
of
ji is
millions of
looking on a back
Gujaratis.
foot.
It is
It
not
really
about
shows
just one
that
Hardik
BJP is
Patel.
rattled.
It is about
BJP has
millions of
absolutely
Gujaratis,
no agenda to
rich,
fight in
poor,
Gujarat.
and
BJP is
everyone
really on
who
the
need
back
to
foot.
win this time.
BJP can't really speak about any morals. They are not the protectors of morals of this country.
We don't need
BJP
to
should
speak
speak
about
about
morals,
development, not the
We do
fake
not speak
development.
about morals.
BJP should speak
Development
about
is the only
BJP should
agenda
speak
we want
about
to
what
speak on. I
happened,
challenge you,
people
come and debate
suffering,
on development.
rather than speaking
You are
about
not even a
the ill
participant
effects of
in the Gujarat
demonetization.
elections.
You take the
You
support
are not even a
of
participant
Baba
in
Ram
Gujarat
Rahim
elections.
to win the
So
election.
why do you want to
No,
capsize the boat there?
in Haryana, you take the support of Ram Rahim, and today you are saying that Congress
now
is
run
not
to
allowed
Haryana
to
as
take
if
the
you are
support of
participating in the Haryana elections.
Come on. अरे सर
No,
ये
take-
देश मेरा है, ये देश
you
मेरा
take
है, पूरे
anyone's
देश के ऊपर
support,
बात
but
करने का
today,
अधिकार मैं
what
रखता
I meant when I
हूँ.
said it is
आपसे
not
मुझे
the CD,
परमिशन लेने की
but the
जरूरत नहीं है,
CD,
समीर
that is
जी.
the ladder, what is important.
अरे मेरी छोटी
Rahul
पार्टी
Gandhi
होगी,
wants to
मगर
take
देश
the
मेरा
ladder
है,
of these
देश मेरा है.
three friends
मेरे
of his,
देश के बारे में
Hardik,
बात
Alpesh
करूंगा.
and Jignesh. Is this all about Congress? Is this what Congress has reduced itself to? Congress does not have its own cadre. We don't talk about the tall leaders of
Baba
Congress
Ram
within the
Rahim
Congress
bhi
party
aapke
in
dost
Gujarat
hain.
today.
Baba Ram
Everything
Rahim
within
ke
Congress has
support
been
ke ऊपर
reduced to
आपने
Hardik
Haryana
Patel.
election जीता
The whole
था.
of Congress
भूल गए
brigade and the
आप.
left brigade
भूल गए
out to
आप.
defend and talk
हरियाणा
about
में
only
election आप
Hardik.
किसके बलबूते
Is there
पर
anything
जीते आप?
beyond
भूल
Hardik
गए.
in Congress in Gujarat?
Shakil Zaman Ansari.
It is a non-issue for us.
Now it's a non-issue, it's boomeranging on you.
No, it was a non-issue right from the
सवाल
very
पैदा
beginning.
ये होता
Did
है
we-
कि
did we-
गुजरात में इनके डेवलपमेंट का इशू कहाँ है?
Not at all.
तो ये मोरल काम कर
I
रहे
wish them
हैं
best
ये.
of luck.
इन्होंने
Listen,
शुरू
as
कर
many
दिया है
hotels as you
चूंकि
can. We have
डेवलपमेंट
no
इशू
issues.
नहीं है. इन्होंने ही मोरल काम कर
अरे
रहे हैं.
आप
कहीं
कितने भी
लूट
होटल में
करा
जाइए,
रहे हैं,
हमको
कहीं
क्या
पुलिस
करना है
भेज रहे
साहब?
हैं,
आप
कहीं
होटल में
इनकम टैक्स
जाइए,
भेज रहे
हम
हैं
जनता के
और
बीच में
कहीं पर
जाएंगे।
आप बोलते हैं. अरे आपको
इनकम
होटल
टैक्स
आप
कहाँ से
जनता
आया
के
बीच
पास
में
कहाँ
साहब?
जाओगे?
ये इनकम टैक्स
आपके
कहाँ से
पास
आया?
जनता के पास तो जनता ने कह दिया.
नहीं, हम जनता के
कमल
पास
का
जाएंगे,
फूल
आप होटल
हमारे
जाइए,
दूर.
हम आपसे
आप
सवाल
कहाँ
नहीं
जाओगे?
करेंगे
आप
साहब,
जनता
जाइए
के
ना।
पास. आप जनता के पास जाओ ना. आपके पास जनता
सर आप
के पास
जाइए,
तो
मैं
जाने का कई
तो
साल
मैं
आपको
कौन हूँ
गए
सर?
नहीं.
आप होटल जाएंगे तो हम
जनता
कौन
कह
है
रही
रोकने
कि
वाले?
कमल
What do you mean
का फूल
होटल
हमारे
जाइए?
दूर
आप
होती
जाइए
है.
सर,
आप
इसीलिए
भी
तो आप
मोरल
लोगों को
काम
लाठियंस
करोगे.
दिल्ली वाला कहा गया
आप
है।
एक तरफ
आप लोग
करोगे,
लाठियंस दिल्ली है,
इस तरह
लाठियंस
के काम
दिल्ली।
करोगे और
खाली मजे
नकली
करेंगे
जाली
और जनता के
CD
पास
बना
जाएंगे
बना के
नहीं।
तुम डालोगे.
लाठियंस दिल्ली।
ये इमोरल काम के लिए बीजेपी के पास
हिंदी
यही
बना के
काम
डाला?
रह गया है.
अरे
और
लाठियंस
कोई काम
दिल्ली
तो है
इंग्लिश
नहीं.
वर्ड है भैया,
किसी को
लाठियंस
धमकी
दिल्ली।
दोगे, किसी को
आप
रेप
लोग
कराओगे,
खाली लाठियंस
उसको
दिल्ली
पार्टी
वाले
सुनील
हैं।
चोपड़ा।
संगठन
आप
बनाओगे
लोगों को
और
जनता
अगर
से
नहीं
कोई
हुआ तो
सरोकार
जाली
नहीं
नहीं
है।
चलाओगे.
आप लोग फर्जी की चीजों
सुनील-
पर विश्वास करते हैं। हम लोग लटियन वाले नहीं हैं। ये आ गए, कार्ल मार्क्स बचे हुए थे।
लटियन नहीं
बताइए
है,
कार्ल मार्क्स
न्यूटन
साहब।
है.
All right, we've been asking a question
भाषा
here.
तो सीख लीजिए. जो इस्तेमाल
We've
करना
asked the
है.
question.
Pronunciation.
We've asked a question. Sambit
Lutyens,
Patra.
Delhi, Lutyens. That is
Sambit
called
Patra.
Lutyens.
I think
Real
this
pronunciation
far.
is Lutyens.
Now the question here is. Sambit Patra, please look at this. Has the Gujarat battle gone too far now? For Sambit Patra, Ratan Sharda, you need to look at the statistics. People want a discussion on real issues. People don't want a discussion on Hardik Patel's personal life or Hardik Patel's sex life. And since the question goes on morality tonight, the question must be listened to by people like Sangeet Ragi. Mr. Ragi, in this day and age, in 2017, it is not extraordinary for a person who's almost 30 years old to have a sex life. आप ये समझ लीजिए, आपके sensibilities hurt हो सकती है. And Ratan Sharda can go ahead and talk about morality and other things like that. But Mr. Ragi, it's not extraordinary. Take a vote from anyone tonight. It is you who are in a minority of one tonight. Yes, Mr. Ragi, talk about other issues. I think on this one you're a little lost. Okay, I give you the last word.
और इलेक्शन में सिर्फ एक ही इशू नहीं होते हैं अर्णव, इलेक्शन में डेवलपमेंट भी एक इशू है, बट मॉरलिटी आल्सो.
Again, morality. What is the wrong with this morality?
This question, Mr.
तो ये झूठी
Remember the fact.
One second, Tanveer Ahmed. Tanveer Ahmed.
सीडी कहाँ से आई है?
Tanveer Ahmed.
When he is
Tanveer Ahmed. Again, the issue of morality comes up. I think my time is up. Where is the issue of morality? 1 minute left.
Sambit ji, Arnab ji,
Mr. Ragi.
Rather than people coming and abusing people on the moral issues, we would like to just say that BJP is not the protector of the humanity and morality in this country. They should speak about real development. They should concentrate on issues of, as you really bought, what is happening in Ryan International School. They should really bring the issues of people suffering in Gujarat because of malnutrition, people not having job to work. In Haryana election, whose support they have taken and they have come, rather than coming and giving lectures on morality, and Ratan Sharda and people like Mr. Tyagi coming and talking, rhetorics. They should really refrain from speaking about morality. They should speak about development. Their fake agenda, fake model of Gujarat development has really washed out in the floods of Gujarat. Now they need to really bring out real issue. Let them fight the issue on real election.
All right, Sambit Patra, 1 second. Hardik Patel was supposed to come on the program but did not make it. I'm really sorry he didn't make it. I wish he did. In that case, we would have had a...
Arnab, he's run away.
No, I don't know. If I get him back, I'll get you back also on the program.
He has not run away.
Well, I spoke to him today a little after 8 o'clock. He said he would come. I'm going on record. Ratan Sharda, 1 second, I have a disclosure to make here. I spoke to Hardik Patel. He said he would come. Yes, Ratan Sharda.
Development debate, Arnab, tell me.
Okay, so Ratan Sharda, Hardik Patel said he would come. He did not come on the program tonight.
Have a debate on
I will ask him again and tell him to come. We'll have an open debate. But till then, the BJP has a responsibility of acting against a person who carries out blackmail of tapes. That makes no sense as well. Well, I thank you all. I'll see you at tape same time tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, see you on the debate tomorrow evening on the Tuesday evening edition. Only till tonight. Good night and goodbye.